Are you stressing over a late payment? It's not the end of the world because there's a whole legal framework designed to have your back. You're protected with these 4 regulations and policies. Let me break it down for you. 1. Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. This is the most important one because this U.S. law ensures that credit reporting agencies keep things accurate. If a late payment is wrongly reported on your credit report, the FCRA gives you the right to challenge it. 2. Grace periods. Many lenders offer you a grace period, a few extra days after the due date where you can make a payment without those additional late fees. It's a little buffer, but make sure you know how long it lasts. 3. Card Act of 2009. If you have a credit card, this act has got you covered. For example, your due dates should be the same each month, and if you make a payment by 5 p.m. on that date, it's counted as on time. 4. State-specific regulations. On top of federal laws, your state might have its own rules about late fees and reporting. It's a good idea to check out the specifics for where you live. Here's an extra bonus tip if you've watched up till this point. If you think you might struggle to make a payment on time, reach out to your lender. More often than not, they're willing to help, whether that's by waiving a fee or tweaking the terms a bit. For more information on how to be protected, join the Dispute Panda community. It's a safe space where you can chat about credit repair and credit improvement. If you found this video helpful, like and follow for the latest tips and tricks.